Memory screams, rust and oil in cold steel veins, silent cries in iron chains. Dark skies paint the city gray, marching feet, a grim ballet. In the shadows, monsters lurk, shattered minds, twisted work. Kalte Maschinen marching on through the night till light is gone. No escape from endless fight, grinding gears in endless night. Iron hearts and burning rage, caged in walls, no bird or sage, bound together by the cold, stories lost, never told. Sharp teeth bite electric soul, no remorse, there's no control. Silent screams in empty halls, souls erased within these walls. Crimson lights and plastic smiles, lost in endless painful trials. Never free from aching bones, marching on.